The SKF Distribution Centre in Italy, Airasca, has completed the renovation process started some years back, with the final step, which includes the installation of new stacker cranes in the high bay and the creation of a new automated area for shipping preparation, where picking of the products is performed with the goods-to-man logic.
The new stacker cranes are 3 times faster than the old ones, so they can also serve the new goods-to-man picking stations, which bring significant benefits in terms of efficiency, flexibility, quality, but also ergonomics. Our move towards goods-to-man follows the very positive experience made at our distribution centre in Belgium and goes in parallel with the implementation that is now ongoing also at our distribution centre in Germany.
The project was carried forward with Swisslog, long-time partner of SKF Logistics in Italy. The planning phase was very intense, as the final design of the warehouse process is rather complex and quite unique, and has involved the experts of both the mechanical and technical part, as well as the software part, which is essential to ensure an efficient governance of the whole warehouse flow. Overall, the project engaged about 100 people of the different companies involved. It started with the creation of an additional aisle, where a stacker crane of new generation was installed. This meant that 5,000 new storage locations were added. Then the cranes of the other 7 aisles were also replaced. In parallel, the installation of the new goods-to-man picking area was done. All in all, it took more than a year of work.
The new equipment was designed to be integrated with the existing conveyors and software. During the realization phase, we have continued to run our normal operations, while some major restructuring work was ongoing, meaning we had to manage for a long period of time without a significant amount of storage locations and of warehouse space. It wasn't easy at all, but now we can definitively say it was worth it.
The goods-to-man process is as such rather simple. Products are stored in the high bay, and when a customer order requires a quantity smaller than the box multiple, the item is moved to the new picking stations by means of conveyors and monorail, where trolleys transport the box. Then the picking is done, and the box is moved back into the high bay. The shipment unit, which can be either a wooden box or a carton, is sent to the packing and labelling station, and further to the shipping area. With 4 picking stations and the possibility to pick more shipments in parallel, the level of efficiency and flexibility is rather high.
This investment is part of a wider plan of expansion and renovation of the European Distribution Centre. This plan started already since some years, and it goes in the direction of further strengthening the service level to the market. Service level that is already one of the strengths of our offering. It also confirms the strategic importance of Italy as a country within the SKF Group.